C. Writing of the secular wisdom. Okay, so that was another exception. So again, quickly, 3 exceptions that we can read. Material that does not resemble business document, we just covered. Next one is writing of the mitzvah matter. So it's it's your personal notes, I guess. Right, and C, or these cards, invitation cards. Right, on C, writing the secular wisdom. There's a major dispute among the poskim whether it is permitted to study works of secular knowledge. There is a science, mathematics, and medicine on Shabbos. Okay. And there is a note. I love this note. History is not considered area of wisdom double quotes. Thus, it is categorically forbidden to read secular history works on Shabbos. So it's not recommended. I mean, if somebody is a teacher, I guess, right, that's a different story. And plus, teacher, like, they can spin this historic event like the way they want. So even in yeshiva, we have a young fellow like in yeshiva. So they hired this Jewish guy. Since the yeshiva, some people pay, some people don't pay, and they cannot throw anybody out. So they have very, very limited budget, right? And if for a Torah subject they're willing to pay somebody to get a scholar, I mean you cannot pay him peanuts, right? But for other things, they hire whoever wants to be hired, basically, unfortunately. Right, and people with zero experience, and they had, I think he told me about this history teacher, so a Jew but not religious, and he does not like religious people. Why he works in yeshiva? Right, because he needed a job. I guess it was convenient hours for him, part-time, and that's it. So right, because yeshiva that does not need like full-time history teacher, or he full-time chemistry teacher. Like only part-time. So that's the problem. And then he's, of course, during this history, he expresses his lefty ideas. Right? Scary. Okay, so continue. The custom, it follows that the view, which prints it? One second, sorry. Again, there is a major dispute among the poskim whether it is permitted to study the works of secular knowledge, the science, mathematics, medicine on Shabbos. The custom is to follow the view that permits it. But, of course, however, the authorities write that the individual who fears heaven should refrain from reading such works on Shabbos. So, like, after the fact, is it permitted? Yes. Should a God-fearing person do it? Absolutely not, unless, for example, as we had students. What is this? Yeah, we had students. So they were like learning in college some profession. So for them, like, you try to work and full time, and you try to learn in college, and you try to have a family, all 3 together. So it's not easy. So you don't have time, and the person had to prepare for the test on Shabbos, because the test would be on Monday, and that's it. And had no choice, right? But it's only exception because of the need, right? Not because of the want. So now, I mean, after he finished, he never studied all this subjects on Shabbos, of course. Right. So again, but the individual who fears heaven should refrain from reading these works on Shabbos. The Holy Shabbos was given a day of rest, as we learned yesterday, right? An opportunity to engage in pursuit of Torah knowledge, right? And since a Jew gets this extra holy neshama, so I mean, it gives you a boost opportunity, right? To learn some things in Torah that you could not comprehend during the weekday. I mean, you have special assistance, and to waste it like. I mean, I have a few red buttons, like they say. So you're saying like we cannot drink on Shabbos? Is it something wrong to drink alcohol? right? Is it not kosher? The people because they connected with Chabadniks, and what they do, they give people free drinks. What could be better, right? Everybody's drunk, everybody's good mood. Hopefully, they're not starting the fights, and who needs to learn? Well, they say a story or two of the Rabbi and how he was great with the miracles, right? And that's it. So you understand. So a person is. So I always tell them have a special soul on this specific day, and you waste it on drinking. You waste it, of course. If you need to take a nap and enjoy and get some energy boost from this nap, there is no problem. But make it short, maybe 1 hour or something, maybe 45 minutes, whatever. On the winter, better not to sleep. Who has time to sleep? Like Shabbos is over 5 p.m. or something. When exactly are you going to sleep? Right? So to waste on drinking alcohol, to overeat, then you become sleepy. Right? That's pure Yitzhara speaking. Right. So Shabbos was given us to provide the opportunity to engage in pursuit of Torah knowledge. It should not be wasted for gaining secular wisdom. Furthermore, it is benefiting the sanctity of the holy day that is spent occupied in holy matters. And there is I think in the Mishnah Brura he said that people simple people, so they would in Shabbos try to speak Hebrew. Right, so not during. Of course, they were not proficient, but try to even the language be holier that during the weekday. Understand? So to learn of the garbage, unless, as we said, person did not have a choice, but to learn, and it was not every Shabbos, but he will learn this secular studies because for preparation of the test. That's it. Not because he likes it, not because he enjoyed it, but he had no choice. Okay, so that's exception.